In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix Facebook Marketplace no results found. So this is how I fixed it. So the first thing I had to do is to close my Facebook app, and instead I had to go to the settings app on my phone. And then I scrolled all the way down here, I clicked on apps, and then I just searched for Facebook in here, as you can see, and I clicked on the Facebook app. So I'm just gonna click on the Facebook app here. So location, make sure that this one is set to either always or while using the app and the precise location is turned on. And then now when you have done so, go back to your Facebook app, then of course click on the marketplace option here. And then you click on your location right here. Make sure it's your correct location as well, of course. What you can also do is to click on edit right here. And then you can either click on suggested local radius or you can have a custom local radius, and make sure to just go as much as possible. So if you're not able to find anything in your area, try to expand this right here and then click on apply, and you should be able to get a couple of more listings, hopefully, or at least that it doesn't show you no results. So basically that is exactly how I was able to fix it.